Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to cancel your flight ticket in vietjetair. So if you want to cancel your flight ticket, follow me in this guide. You have to Google search this keyword, click the first website here. When you click the first website, you will redirect it to this page. So friends, in this page, scroll down, click this form, the form requested for cancellation. Click this form, you will redirect it to this one. In this case, all you have to do, you should be, if you are from agency, write your agency code. From here, write your booking number here, for example, this one. And then when you write your booking number, write your family name. In this section, write employee user. For example, this is your employee user. And then write your mobile number and email subscription here. And then click verify information. In this case, you can submit your ticket and then you can get your cancellation, refund and cancellation. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video. This is about fee and charge. You can read this is for free for cancellation, I think. So I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, share this video.